All the films are in, our entries are officially over. Thank you so much to everyone who entered their work into our festival this year. It means a lot. Obviously, we would not have a film festival without films, but more than that, it shows that you trust us as a festival to showcase your work. And on our end, we will continue to do as much as possible to promote all of our filmmakers. We actually received the biggest number of entries in the still photography category this year, so I'm excited to soon start sharing some of that work with you guys so you can see some of the most amazing pictures. And the next deadline is March 1st, so our judges are now very busy scoring and evaluating every work that was entered, and they will do that based on 3 different criteria. And then on March 1st, we will be able to announce the official nominees for AZDroneFest 2025. And the nominees are all the work that will be then showcased during the event on March 15th. We encourage all of you, whether you entered or not, to join us on March 15th for the event, to watch all those films, but also to experience everything that we have going on at the event. So it's a family event, an expo. We have drone demos and FPVs going and all kind of stuff happening, and I'll share more with that as we get closer to the event. But I want to encourage everyone to go on our website, AZDroneFest.com, sign up for the event. It's free to attend, but it's awesome for us to know how many people are coming so we can plan a little bit better. So go to AZDroneFest.com, register for the event for your free tickets. We also have VIP tickets available to purchase, and those will give you access to amazing breakout session. We actually are working on some amazing things this year with our breakout sessions, and it will also give you access to our network lunch, which is just a great opportunity for all of us filmmakers, drone pilots, vendors, everybody to kind of be together and learn from each other and get to know new people. So go on the website, register, and we'll see you on March 15th.